people shopping for a product and not mainly looking for the contractor. My take on that is when you go shop for a product, and then, products are products. And we say it every day here at Mallard Air, at least once a week, me and Ethan talking about it to our guys too, of it is products are product. Air conditioners, air conditioners. One thing about a product that we sell is, and Ethan's got the hat on now, is a Manna that, it comes with a lifetime warranty on this equipment. And they're the only ones out there that has a lifetime warranty. So the product that we carry here we feel like is the best out there on the market. But also is the reason you dive into the contractor is because you go out and buy a product and you put it in, and then next thing you know, we see it all the time. It's horror stories. It ain't a lot of times, but people can go buy a product. You can buy a product online, and we are a prime example of that. We see it going on. We've got 4 cases going on right now here where people bought this product off the line and then go to the contractor, and the product is terrible. I think that the product and the contractor need to go hand in hand. They need to have relationships and very good working relationships because the contractor is the key. If it ain't put in installed right, this man on a lifetime warranty, we run them out of business because they couldn't keep up with the warranty. So they won't just go sell this product to any contractor. And that's what I think the consumer today really needs to understand is, you can go online and buy any kind of piece of equipment you want to. In the last 3 years, it's really blew. But the contractor is the key, because if it ain't installed right, the vacuums ain't pulled right, it's not sized right, your house ain't been made, is your insulation proper in your house? It's all kind of factors. What kind of infiltration you got coming in? I mean, down here, with infiltration and an improper size unit, you're going to have growth in your house, bacterial growth. We can test it and say it's mold. You hear that word all the time, but Mallard Air, we don't talk that word until it's tested. So my take on it is that the product is very important. But number one, the contractor, because you got to size properly and look at all the aspects of someone's home.
I feel like when it comes to buying equipment online and not exactly sure what contractor you're going to go with, it leaves a huge hole in who you're going to have in your home, and can you have confidence in them in your house, around your family, and are you confident they're going to do a good job? I read a study a couple years ago, 80% of a system's life is based on how it's installed, 16% is based on maintenance and maintaining the system, and 4% dials into brand and manufacturer. So yes, brand and manufacturer is huge. That's why we deal with Amanda, because we're able to offer a lifetime warranty on our systems. But at the end of the day, if you don't have confidence in who it is in your home installing your system, it will not last, point blank, no questions about it. It's not going to last if it's not installed properly. If there's not a load calculation done, there's not proper vacuum pulled, it's not nitrogen tested or brazed with nitrogen. If you don't have flow switches, you're always going to have problems. And we make sure to do the proper training and take the precautions in the home to prevent these things. Because to be honest with you, after we do our job, we want to come back to maintenance the unit. But if we come back because of callbacks, we're losing money. We're spending a lot of money sending people out there. So we want to cut down those visits as much as possible. Obviously, we want to see all of you and shake y'all's hands and say thank you for trusting us in your home. But after the job is finished, we want to make sure that you are not bothered by us as much as possible. If this is something y'all would like to know more about, we would love to hear from y'all at 251-225-4035.